does so, it weighs on me that you have given up singing. And because I want you to return to it, since you know about these matters, I want you to tell me if a lady should do equally for her lover when he asked freely, as he does for her in everything that belongs to love, according to the laws that lovers hold. Lady Maria, the debates and everything I intended to abandon, but now I cannot keep myself from singing at your summons. And I answer you about the lady briefly, that she should do for her lover communally, just as he does for her without guarding rank, because between two friends, neither should be greater. Give everything he desires, the lover should ask for with mercy, and the lady can command it and should indeed entreat at the proper times. And the lover should make requests and follow commands, as for a friend and as for a lady equally. And the lady should honor her lover as a friend, but not as a lord. Lady, they say around here that since a lady wants to love, she should honor her lover equally, since they are equally in love. And if it happens that she loves more faithfully in deeds and words, she should make it appear. And if she has a false or cheating heart with a beautiful semblance, she should cover her folly. He does so not in this way, our lovers at the beginning. Instead, each one says when he wants to entreat, hands joined and on his knees. Lady, allow me to serve you freely as your man, and she takes him so. I judge him by right of traitor if he makes himself her equal after giving himself as servant. Lady, that is a shameful argument for a lady to make the case that she should not hold him as equal, with whom she has made one heart out of two. Either you will say, and it won't sit well with you, that the lover should love more faithfully, or you will say they are equal between themselves, because the lover owes her nothing except through love. Except through love. Except through